Hello everyone, I'm Kathy from tinytours.com. Behind me is the 600-year-old bell tower, which is one of the most iconic landmarks of Xi'an. From the hustling, bustling crowds, you can know that I'm in the center of the city. And you can see lots of Chinese ladies dressed in traditional costume named Hanfu costume. And it said that cosplaying in Xi'an is one of the must-do in China. So there's a question for you. Why are there so many people like to dress up in Xi'an? It's because Xi'an is the oldest capital in China. Since 11th century BC to the 10th century AD, for 1,100 years, there were 13 dynasties established their capital here, with longer time and more dynasties than any other capitals in China. Therefore, if they dress up in the traditional costume, people will have stronger feeling that they have more connections with ancient history and deeper understanding of the city. I really hope that someday you will come to Xi'an to feel the vibrant atmosphere of the city. When you think about visiting China, what's the first thing that comes to your mind? The Great Wall, the pandas, or something totally unexpected? What if I told you that the biggest surprise in China is not above the ground? It was buried beneath your feet. Have you heard of the Terracotta Army? Under the ground, they've been guarding the spirit of China's first emperor for over 2,200 years. No one dared to disturb their silence until 1974, when a group of farmers, digging a well purely by chance, revealed them to the world. The discovery shocked the world. Thousands of life-sized warriors stand in silent formation, their hands pressed as if still gripping weapons. Each one's unique. Different facial features, different armor, different expressions. Even the horses appear alive. They're statues, but they capture the real people and the real horses, frozen in clay. The Terracotta Army is amazing, but it's only the beginning. Xi'an has plenty more to surprise you. Walk along the top of the ancient city wall at sunset, feel the wind on your face, and watch the modern city glowing beneath your feet. For a brief moment, past and present exist at the same time. Admire the millennial Big Wago's pagoda and discover the extraordinary stories carried along the Silk Road. Stroll through the Bell and Drum Tower Square, the very heart of the city, and feel the rhythm of the city. Wander through the Muslim Quarter, tucked into the old city, to search the unforgettable flavors. Here, food is more than a meal. It's another landmark of Xi'an. Try 肉夹馍, often called the world's earliest burger. Don't miss the biang biang noodles, chewy, springy, and burst with aroma, where garlic, vegetables, meat, and special spices come together in bold explosion of flavor. Shredded pancake mutton soup, with its rich broth, tender lamb, and soft soaked bread, warms you from the first bite to the last. And truly is the capital of cups and the paradise for food lovers. I hope someday you'll come to our city to really witness the Terracotta Army with your own eyes and try the delicious local delicacy and wander around the city to feel the rhythm of the city. This is Kathy from tinytours.com. Welcome to Xi'an.